Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Doc Talk. I'm Dr. Michael Bracchio here at Velocity Sports Rehab, and in this video we're going to go over training load and how to prevent injuries. Many conditions are considered to be caused by overuse, which means that the loads that we're placing upon the tissues has exceeded their ability to tolerate those loads. An example would be a runner who is experiencing Achilles tendon pain. Typically the runner has altered their workout routine, which has led to overloading of the Achilles tendon. Examples of this would be either through increasing their mileage, their duration, or incorporating hill running. To be able to decrease the risk of an overuse injury, we need a way to establish a baseline workload for an individual. One way to do this is to rate an exercise from 0 to 10 and then multiply that by the duration of the exercise. So if we go back to our runner, let's say that they completed a 60-minute run and they rated the run difficulty as a 5 out of 10. This means that that workout was 300 units because it was 60 times 5. We would then take the average of 3 to 6 weeks of working out to create a baseline workload for that individual. The goal of injury prevention is to gradually increase our baseline workload and to avoid any sudden spikes in activity. As a general rule, we don't want to increase our workload by more than 10% each week. So if we take our runner, for example, and say that their baseline average was 300 units, we don't want to increase our workload in any given week by more than 30 units. You can increase the amount of workload in a given week by either increasing the difficulty of the run or the duration, but you want to make sure that you're staying below 30 units. As our baseline workload continues to increase, the amount of units that will increase will also improve as well. So for example, if we go back to our runner, let's say that their workload is now 600, we can increase by 60 units per week safely without increasing our risk of injury. While it may make sense to keep our workload low in order to reduce our risk of injury, this may not always be the case if our sport or activity requires a higher workload. For example, if our runner started to play soccer, the workload of soccer may be higher than our baseline workload, which would increase their risk of injury. So for example, if when they were playing soccer, they rated the soccer as a 9 out of 10 in difficulty, but they only played for 45 minutes, their workload for that session would be 405 units, which would then predispose them to a higher risk of injury because their baseline fitness level was only 300 units. Overuse injuries can be difficult to prevent because there are so many variables that can cause an injury. However, smart training can help reduce the likelihood of experiencing an overuse injury by gradually increasing our baseline workload and also by avoiding any sudden spikes in loading to the tissues. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Doc Talk. I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.